One more quick video on the rear left quarter panel. I've now decided to put some gloss on it by just using a rag and putting some terps on it, because in the previous video the damage didn't sort of show up, because if there's no gloss you can't kind of see it, but now here we can definitely. I'm going down, you can see all this damage here. Look at all these hammer marks. My particular problem is that this bodyline step here is no longer equal. It's been bashed in and hammered out along the way, and I think that is very important to get that exactly right, because else this car will just not look proper. We are going around the back here now. Unfortunately, it's very warm in Australia today, so this gloss I just applied is basically evaporating very quickly, but it sort of gives us an idea. I put this on here. This is just a makeshift clamp that I've made, because the actual eyebrow in the position it currently is relative to the inside of the wheelhouse is actually correct, and it matches the other side. So my guess is whoever repaired this before, they got that right, they pulled it out. So me pushing behind here with the porter power earlier on, because I actually brought this panel out quite a bit, I did not want this to move with it, so I clamped it in place to the inside, and that did an okay job, and the panel is actually in quite a bit of a better shape than when I started. As I said, heaps and heaps of filler came off here. It was probably about this thick, and since I pushed it out here it is much better, but as we can see there are heaps of imperfections. Here is a crack from, I guess, where this accident damage first occurred. It was probably pushed in here. The nice thing would be to have another quarter panel and just install that and be done with it, but I don't have that luxury. They are not available here in Australia second hand, and from the US, well, the shipping quotes were in the region of $1,800, so that's a no. I can do a lot of work for that. So there we go, that's the quarter panel. You can see it here. Oh, and by the way, I've got this car on my rotisserie. I don't know if you can see it here. I did eventually get a rotisserie because due to neck problems I couldn't work under it. So at the moment it's tilted up quite nicely. I did support it just here under the sill as well, because I found it seemed to flex a bit here at this door gap, because it's only currently supported on the rotisserie at the front and at the rear, so the whole thing basically hangs free air. It doesn't seem to be a problem for the moment, but as I'm working on this mudguard here and I've cut pieces out here, and of course I've taken the inner wheelhouse out. It's too dark in here, but I've cut the inner wheelhouse out so we can actually get rear access. Because of that, I thought I'd better support it here and make sure that it doesn't bend or get out of shape. That's as far as we got for today. Thank you for watching.